Hey everybody, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos. Hey guys, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Wanted to shoot a quick video, give you a kind of like a early week recap of the first four trades in the signals group. I see from Uncle Lee's group we have roughly 250 subscribers right now. That's amazing, guys. When we just started advertising this, Sunday, I think. So by Tuesday, we got 250 subscribers. Amazing. We really wanted to get you guys in here, let you see, what we do with an easy way to trade. Everybody kind of associates us with just an EA, but it's not just an EA. We actually do top-down analysis training too. We show you how, and I'm going to break that down, showing you how we take these signals, how we come up with the signals. We got Chartmaster Eric B in the background, breaking down charts on Tuesdays evenings. I'm Monday and Wednesdays going over our EA results. So you kind of got the best of both worlds because we're training people on the Forex prop firms, which we've passed a couple of times with the EA and manual trading. So we're just super excited about what we have, and we wanted to partner with Uncle Lee to show him exactly what we have, because we know he has a long reaching hand out there in social media, and so we just wanted to partner with him. Uncle Lee and myself, we've been close friends for going on roughly 5 years now, and we figured that, hey, let's come together, and do something together. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into this and recap what we have really quick with our signals, okay? The first signal we took, I think, was EUR CAD right here, guys. And we always enter our trades on the M15. So you see 15 right here. 20 pips is a win. 20 pips is a win. I've said that a couple of times. 20 pips is a win. 19 pips and reversal is a loss. This is what our signals look like. I know a lot of you are used to having the signals come out, word for word, saying EUR CAD with the entry type beside it, the stop loss, take profit, and everything typed right beside it. That's not how we do it, because we want you to actually visualize it. We want you to see exactly what we're doing. So we actually go to Trading View. As you see, we use Trading View a lot. We don't use MT4, MT5. We use that strictly to enter our trades, but all of our chart markups. And again, we will show you this with your membership. If you decide to partner with us, we'll show you how to do this on Trading View, breaking down your charts and everything so you can get your entries. So we count rejections, guys, support and resistance. As you can see, we don't have any indicators on the chart. We don't use indicators. Nothing against indicators. I went over this on my Zoom. Nothing against indicators. We just use indicators for what we, what do you say? We use indicators as verification, right? We don't use indicators to make a decision. We use the chart. We trade what we see in front of us, to make our decisions. So here we got EUR CAD, right? Takes two rejections, guys, two rejections to form a support or a resistance or a trend line, a valid support resistance trend line, right? So we got a rejection here, right? Price came down, rejected again. So now we know this is a good rejection. We know this is a good end. We actually look for our rejections on the higher time frame. We start on the higher time frame. By the time we get down to the 15, we know it's a good support right here, or rejections, right? So we got 1, 2. So we could have actually entered the trade right here on this second rejection, went up, got 15, 20 pips or whatever. Came in, went up, rejected again, got some pips, went up again, came back down, went up. This is where we entered, right? We always have a 30 pip stop loss, guys. We should have entered it down here. We missed it, right? But we are within our tolerance zone, right? 30 pip stop loss every time, 20 pip take profit. Some people may say that's a little upside down, right? It's not, guys. It's only upside down if you don't know what you're doing, right? We have over a 65, 70% win ratio. So as long as the numbers are there, we're good, right? So we took this trade here at 30 pip stop loss, guys. Now let's go and see what we got. As we enter our trades, we always have a warning. We want you to understand that, trading is a risk. You want to make your own analysis. Just because this is considered a trade idea, this is our trade idea. It doesn't mean you have to take it. We are not licensed financial planners, licensed CPAs, or anything like that. So we cannot give you financial advice. We can just give you the trade signal, right? How we see it, right? So we always say use proper risk management. Past performance does not guarantee future profits. But we did show you in our Discord that over the past 9 months, we're over close to 9,000 pips, so roughly 1,000 potential pips, right? So guys, trade update, EUR CAD went 20 pips. It hit our take profit. Let's go see. Went up, hit our take profit, guys. That took around, what, 2.5 hours or so, because each candle is 15 minutes. So 15, 15, 15, 15 hour, 15, 15, 15. So it's roughly 2 hours. And that hit our take profit, 20 pips. Now I haven't checked, it may have gone even farther. We don't know yet. We don't actually look at that until the end of the week when we do our end of the week recap to just see how far the trade went. Because when we say potential pips, we know we got the 20 pips. But when we say potential pips, we mean price went on up, kept going, and as high as it went before it reversed and hit stop loss. So if it went up way up here and went up, another 60 pips, then came down, hit stop loss, well, the potential was 60 pips, but we got those 20, guys. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. As you can see, trade update, again, 20 pip take profit, right? It went on up. All right, so our next trade, guys, was AUD JPY on the M15. Everything is always going to be the same. There's nothing that's going to deviate from what we see. So what you see right here is always going to be the exact same thing. Now, one thing I did not mention is how do you know if you got to the trade late? Maybe we put this trade in, at 6:30 in the morning, right? Or 6:30 or whenever we put this trade in, right? And you come over here and you didn't see it till 8, but you say, well, I'm gonna take this trade. How do you know if this is a fresh signal? Guys, the way we do this is first candle is always going to be, right here at the edge, right here. That's our entry. If you come over here and prices, let's see, prices like this, you see this right here, right? And you see prices going up and hit. Of course, this is not a fresh signal. Don't enter that trade. Price has to start right here on the edge, because when we get right here and when we open this trade up, we put our tool on, right? It's the first candle. So do not get confused and say, okay, I see this signal sent out right here and you jump in now for the buy. It has to be, that's the start. Okay. And another thing over here, stop loss in red, entry in gray, take profit 1, right? In white. Okay, so we got red, gray, white. 1.49555 is that line right there. Okay, that's our take profit. All right, so red, gray, white. Again, if price has already moved, you don't take that trade. And a rule of thumb when we do our trades, guys, if you come over here and price has already moved from this entry, if price has already moved 5 pips, don't take the trade. So our entry is at 35, right? So if price is at 40, 41, do not take that trade. Price has already moved 5 pips away. Wait for it to retrace back down, okay? Right? So everybody got that. Okay, so let's go back to AJ right here. Again, rejection. Price, how many pips stop loss? 30 pips stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Stop loss, entry, take profit. Okay? So we got Uncle Lee. I got it. I'm coming to you. All right. So again, we could have entered right here, but we got right here and entered the trade, right? We always want to enter as close to support as possible to get the maximum benefit and less stop loss, right? So that's what we're doing. We on the 15 entering as close to stop to our support as possible. So right. So we get this trade here. Hope you guys got this trade. Let's go see what it did. Again, our disclaimer, trade update, AJ buy 23 pips, guys. AJ went 23 pips before we closed it, hit take profit. That took about what, 15, about an hour to hit that one. No, I'm not saying that it's going to take an hour or 2 hours every time. We could be in the trade for, several hours. We don't know. However, these trades were moving, right? So as you see, we got it. So I hope you should have made money on both of these trades so far. On EUR, CAD, and AJ, you should have made some money, guys. So now what? We are 2 for 2, right? We're 2 for 2. 2 wins, 0 losses right now. The next trade, GBP Chef. Okay? Look, guys, right here. Let's look at this right here. Rejection. We could have entered sales right here, right? Got some money right here. Came back. Rejection. Could have entered the sale right here. Got some money. Rejection. Could have entered the sale. Got some money. But now, guys, price broke through. So now this resistance right here on the M15, again, everything is on the M15. Everything is the same. On the M15 here, resistance now turns into what? It turned into support. Why? Because price broke through. Kind of faked out back in the bottom right here, but kept right on back up. Price broke through, faked out. So now our resistance is support. Price went up and hit resistance up here. Came down, right? The second rejection right here, we could have taken the trade, made some money. Price rejected right back. This is again is what I mean by if price came down from here, right, and went 5 pips, don't take that trade. Wait for it to come back. We could have taken a sell right here, right? This is the third rejection. We could have taken a sell here and a sell here. But however, we don't catch all the moves. We missed this one. We just simply missed it. We didn't see it, right? But look at that sell, right? So now resistance, now this turns into support. It was resistance over here because price broke through, and now support. This is what we call a break and retest, guys. Price couldn't break it, couldn't break it, couldn't break it, couldn't break it. Finally, it broke it, right? Went up, came down. Now it can't break it again. Can't break it. Second rejection, break and retest. So now we're in. Again, same setup, 30 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. We're in. Price is going up. Price is going up, right? So let's see what the price did. Trade update, AJ. AJ actually went 50 pips, guys. So look, from right here, this AJ actually went up 50 pips. Okay, so that's before it reversed now. We came right here and said update 50 pips. So we did that because evidently AJ must have gone up 50 pips and then reversed and hit stop loss. Right? It can't, when I said stop loss, it doesn't matter because we're already out of that trade. But it reversed and came back and went the opposite way. But it went a maximum of 50 pips. Some people may have held it longer. Some people got 20 pips. Some people may have said, hey, I'm going to hold this trade a little bit longer because of that buy momentum. Right? They might have held it and got 30 pips or 40 pips. Maybe they got the whole 50 pips. Don't know. I know on this trade, I got more than 20 pips, guys. I remember I got more than 20 pips on that trade there. All right, so here we go. Now we got, there's the AJ. There it goes. It went up past 20 pips, up to 50 pips. Now it's reversing, right? Now it's reversing back down. Okay, so here we go. Trade update, EuroCAD 20. The other trade, that's the video I did, right? And then we have G-Chef right here. We got rejection on support. Rejection, we took the trade right here. Went up, came down. Oh, it broke it. We probably hit out. It might have hit your stop loss here, but see, okay, this is something I need to explain, right? It looks like we hit our stop loss. And again, guys, we apologize on this one. We didn't tell you. This was over market changeover, right? This is over market changeover. How we trade, if we have trades open during market change, and we know they're going to be open over market changeover, roughly 4:30 p.m. Eastern time, 4:30 p.m. Eastern time, we recommend, and a lot of you guys in here already know this because we told you before, move your stop loss an extra 50 pips. You want to move that stop loss an extra 50 pips. Why? Because this is what happens. Market changeover, spread hits, right? The spread will hit. So it's, that's just spread. So if you move your stop loss an extra 50 pips way down, didn't have to worry about it. So instead of a 30 pip stop loss, you got an 80 pip because we know the market is going to gap. The market is going to have that spread. The broker is going to have that spread. That's how they make their money, guys. So if you were in this trade, you didn't move your stop loss, the brokers made money. They stopped you out, and then price did what? Went back to what it's supposed to do. Went up and hit 20 pips, right? So you should have gotten your 20 pips if you move your stop loss. And we apologize. We didn't tell you in the Telegram group to do this. However, we just figured, traders will actually know this, but we're going to start trying to remember to tell people this. Move your stop loss during market changeover only. And then around 7 p.m. Eastern time is what it for us. A couple of hours after market changes over, the spreads start to come back to where they're supposed to be. We move our stop loss back to the original 30 pips. So we just move it just to make sure we don't get stopped out. Then we move it back once the spreads start coming back down. So you should have stayed in this trade, went up and got 20 pips. So guys, look, that is 3 wins. Now let's see this trade right here. AJ, look what AJ did. AJ went 20, went 50. Boom. Some people may still be in it. This is a win. Some people may still be in this trade, guys. That's amazing. Right? So this is what we talked about the stop loss. But we were a little bit late on this. We should have, if we had thought about it, we'd have put it in early to remind you guys. But just kind of keep this in mind. Anytime you're in a trade, 4:30 p.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes before the market switches, right, closes, you want to move your stop loss on all your trades. Move them out the way because the broker is going to try to get them with the spreads, right? And then you got to remember to move your stop losses back, okay? All right, so this is that GBP CAD trade, right, that we're in right now. This is our fourth trade. So we got 3-0 right now, guys. We've had EUR CAD, AUD JPY, and what was the other one? EUR CAD, AUD JPY, and I don't know, off the top of my head, GBP Chef. I'm sorry, GBP Chef, right? Now we are in GBP CAD. Nothing has changed. Same setup. 30 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Price came down, support, boom. Came down, support, boom. Now, how do we find these again, guys? We don't just start marking these up on the M15 because we know the 15-minute structures are not the strongest structures, right? We actually start looking at this on the day. We have a routine. We have a trade plan here in Easy Way to Trade combined with the real Forex. We have what we call a trade plan. So it's like a habit. You know what they say, take 21 days to form a habit. You look at that trade plan every day before you take a trade and you follow it to the T. Then it becomes a habit. So we start on the daily. We find our zones on the daily. Then we work our way down to the 4 hour. Then we get down to the 15 for entry. So we got the zone. We refine our zone. Once we get to the 15-minute, we refine that zone. So we got rejection. The second rejection, what? That confirms our support's holding, right? Confirms support's holding. Could have entered the trade here, went up, got some pips. Could have entered the trade here, went up and got some pips. Could have entered the trade here, went up right here. So we entered right here, guys. Right? This is our entry. 30 pip, 20 pip, right? So we are in this trade right now. And then let's go to the chart in a minute. I'm going to go to the chart right now after this and show you guys what we were doing, okay? Show you what that looks like. Okay, guys, this is the trade right now. The GBP CAD trade is telling about that we're actually in right now, guys. So as we see, our entry, 30 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit, right? 20 pip take profit there. So we are roughly, prices right here from entry, roughly about 12, 13 pips, right? About 14 pips right now, guys, on our way to 20. So we see it's a good uptrend, right? Price is going up, right? Price is riding that trend line going up. So we should be good with this trade, right? Just let it continue to do what it does, guys. So that we got that trade there. So that's the trade. So guys, right now we are 3-0. This trade, if this trade continues on where it's going, we'll be 4-0 for the week. And it's just Tuesday. Remember, we have on average anywhere from 8 to 12 trades a week. No more than that. We don't want to rush trades. We don't want to force trades. So we're on track right now. Look at this trade, guys. Look at it. Pushing on up like it's trying to get there. Another couple of 2 or 3 pips. Let's see how far we are away from right now. Might go ahead and hit it while we're on this right now. We're about 4 pips away, guys. But, so that should be it. This should be number 4 here shortly. So now you got an understanding on what we do, guys. Again, this group is going to be open for the next, 2 weeks, right, till May 12th. Then you should have a good idea or not of what to expect by partnering with Uncle Lee and an easier way to trade with Uncle Lee's FX systems and an easier way to trade with the real Forex. Partnering with us, guys, and we do this. This is what we do every day. See, we trade over here. It's a skill set for life. One thing we like to say is, a lot of people can fudge things, fudge numbers, but we say, people lie, but numbers don't. We have the numbers to back up everything that we're talking about here.